I'm excited to share this video with you. Today we are making pasta caseppia, which is the black squid ink cuttlefish that we got from the market today. So I just cut it up and I've got it in a frying pan with some onion, and I'll start cooking it there. Looks so delicious. Look at that. Beautiful produce of the Australian waters. Look at that. Beautiful. Going to cook up lovely. I put it in there with the onion and the cuttlefish. No oil yet, because that's going to sweat a lot of water, of its own water. So you want that to evaporate, and once it evaporates, then you add the sauce and the herbs, and we break the black squid ink into that. It's going to be delicious. Cook slowly, you have a look. I've been eating this pasta with my husband Marco for so many years, and it's just a tradition. It's a Sicilian tradition that our parents cooked, our grandparents cooked, and it's something of the land. It's the sea of the land, and it's the fishermen that they created this dish that is absolutely scrumptious. And they created it on the fishing boats with just a bit of sauce. They probably had just tomatoes, a little bit of olive oil and garlic, and they would go off fishing for days and weeks, and with just the produce that they had, and then whatever they caught they would cook up. So it was created by the fishermen. So much ingenious cooking by men, not women, but by men, and it's been mastered by the women, but the men created that. So the fishermen of Sicily created this beautiful, delicious recipe that is centuries old. When they went in there, if they caught cuttlefish or they caught calamari, they would clean them up, and with the black squid ink, that creates just a different dimension of the sauce. Now you can have the ones in the bottles that they sell, but I don't think that it has that sea flavor, because this dish has that sea flavor, that beautiful, delicious, that can taste the mare, the sea. Have a look. This is cooking nicely, so we've got to wait for it to evaporate. can watch it on my video on confit garlic, how to make confit garlic. You don't need a lot of salt because of the sea. It has its own salt flavour. I just put enough just to, and you go. And if you want a little, put a bit of pepper, or if you want a bit of chilli at this stage, you can add some fresh chilli, or you can add some cayenne pepper. And I use this basil when I can't find any fresh basil, which is a really good basil, this one here. Put that. There we out of that. This is now, we put the that. Another 40 minutes, and once it's nice and thick and nice and luscious, then it's and the water has come out of the tomato, out of the passata, and it's nice and thick and velvety, and you stir it, and it's a nice consistency of being able to put some nice thin spaghetti in that. It will be absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a pasta casseppia, or in Sicilian it's siccia, a pasta casiccia, and you usually put fresh ricotta on top of that, or you can put Parmesan cheese, but the Italians don't like to put no cheese on their seafood because it spoils the flavour. I love a little bit of Parmigiano or my baked ricotta on that one there. So if you enjoyed this video, please join my community and follow me at Cook Carmela. I'm going to change my at name, so I'm not sure yet what I want to do. Something different, because I'm no longer doing the things that I was doing prior, and I've changed. So would like you to think maybe you could come up with a different name, or I can use my one that I go on TikTok, Sicilian Queen. I would like that. So I'm not sure yet. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll show you the pasta when I've cooked it up and ready to mangiare. Pasta casiccia. In Italian, it's pasta seppia. So seppia is the Italian name, siccia is the Sicilian name. So today we're having our pasta siccia. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao! Is just about ready, so have a look at the consistency and the beautiful luscious thickness that it gets. And there you have it. Pasta siccia.